Hello friends, in this video I will show how to change speaker output format like 24 bit 96,000 or 24 bit 16 bit and 44,100. So to change this format, click on start, then settings. Here click on system, then click on sound, and here click on speakers. Now here you will see this format option. So you can select your desired format like 24, 16 or 16 bit and maximum, as it can be different as your PC and your system. You can check which is the giving you better result. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.